Hello everyone, welcome here. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. This morning I woke up and decided to decorate a little bit for the 4th of July. I had a summer theme, like a bumblebee theme going behind me, and I decided I'm going to change it out and make it patriotic for the 4th of July until after the 4th, and then I'll decorate it with my bumblebee stuff again. But this morning I'm just taking you along as I clean up, do some everyday cleaning and decorating. So if you would like to see what all I did, then please continue to watch.
I'm holding my breath as I walk to your front door. Who would have thought it could feel like this? Heart in my hands, I'm shaking like crazy. Answer the door, I got so much to say. When you're all that I want, can't you see that I'm sorry, love? Let me in, 'cause I know that you're hurting. Please, this is it. Can we give it just one more try? Say, believe in me. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Looks like I've got to prove you wrong, 'cause it's a long shot. I'm in, I got a lot to prove. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Honey, give me a chance. You will see that I'm trying. Want you to know that I see you the same. Try not to think us do like we used to. I am changed, wanna show you too. When you're all that I want, can't you see that I'm sorry, love? Let me in, 'cause I know that you're hurting. Please, this is it. Can't you see that I want more try? Say, believe in me. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Looks like I've got to prove you wrong, 'cause it's a long shot. I'm in, I got a lot to prove. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Hold me close, keep it tight. Love me good through the night. I'll be safe, safe and sound. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time. Looks like I've got to prove you wrong, 'cause it's a long shot. I'm in, I got a lot to prove. Looks like we're waiting here for a long time.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step.
I'm not that great at calligraphy, but I did my best writing out this quote on this chalkboard I made out of an old mirror. I wanted to keep this decor super cheap.
To the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. Oh, broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water, you're sailing with the breeze. Take a step into the river, where you will find peace. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight. Oh yeah, I will fight. When you
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
I will shelter, I will fight.